Welcome to Flaxman Road, one of our latest investments and full renovations before we try to either sell or rent the property. So as you can see, we repainted the whole flat white, and we have changed all the existing floors from carpets to really nice light grey laminate flooring. And we have also changed completely the whole bathroom. So all units, tiles and flooring, toilets, basins have all been changed. So we go through to the kitchen, which we are currently working on, but we have laid the floors, tiled the kitchen part of this open plan space. We will check the boiler and also the lights, just in case if we need to rent it out in the future. But the idea is to have a dining room or maybe a small living room in that corner that opens up into a private back garden here, which will tidy up before we try to sell. So this is our latest investment at Flaxman Road. As you can see, we are almost there. It has taken us possibly about 3 weeks in total from start to finish. And I think there's another 5 days or so before we complete the house, stage it and present it to the market. So this is one of our very cool investments that we bought in December. Hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.